go to the crisp of this.
Yeah.
I don't. I know that there is a murder taken place. I have spoken to PI first to see that accused is arrested, and the accused is arrested. So-called accused is arrested. Our most important intention was to first arrest the accused. That is being done. Now we will see which angle, why this murder has taken place. So for that, I think Police Inspector of Kalangut Police Station is investigating this matter, and whatever is the motive behind the murder, we will come to know. If it is in the angle of drugs, police will also give you all information. Even I will give you information. And if it is so, then we will have to crack down. I am on record that we all have to work together if we have to crack down on drugs, and especially as far as the coastal belt is concerned. Our local population, the local people who are staying in the coastal belt, have to actively participate with the police, with the higher-ups of the police, and give information of any such suspicious people coming to Goa, whether they are foreigners, whether they are of certain particular country, because we have seen lot of cases filed on Nigerian nationals in Kalangut police station. Lot of control is come in Kalangut, Kandolim, Baga, because police are acting. But I don't see this similar thing happening in Anjuna, Bagator, Shapara or elsewhere. Maybe there are no drugs available there. Looks like. But the recent deaths at Sunburn Festival has revealed that there are drugs being sold in that vicinity. People have died. We need to take this matter seriously. And if this case is also related to drugs, the police are investigating. Police will tell me also, share with me what are the facts they have found out. And if it is related to drugs, we will make sure that it is cracked down.
So this Friday murder case took place. That day till 10:30 in the evening, we were all in touch with police, but police was playing all a hide and seek game. Why this is happening?
See, police did not want to reveal the name of the accused or who was involved in this case till they had to means their plan was to arrest the accused, and this is what they have done. When I phoned them, they also shared with me the similar thing. Sir, we are on final stages of arresting the accused. We have identified the accused. We have a CCTV footage of the accused. So they were in process of arresting the accused, so-called accused. So police could not share the details with the media or anybody else. And to a certain extent, police are on the right side of not sharing details till investigation or the accused is arrested. Now, to register an offence, some foreigner is coming to India and entering into a very, very small petty crime. Their intention is to stay back in this country for nearly 4 long years till that case is over. They fight among themselves, like two foreigners fight, and they hit one another so very badly that the police have to register under section 506 part 2 or some other sections they put 326 grievous hurt, because they hit in such a way that an offence is registered. And then in the court, final stages of the court, they say we want to compromise. I don't think this person has hit me. First they hit intentionally, and then in the court they say I don't think this person has hit me. So they are both foreigners. The court says, okay Baba, after 4 years, if he has not seen him properly, maybe at that particular time out of anger he has given that name, the court gives the order as okay, released, to be released.